What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how to reset the oil life on a 2017 Hyundai Sonata. So after you change your oil, you want to go ahead and reset the oil life. In order to do that, you'll need the ignition on or the vehicle running. Then we're going to press this button here until it takes us over to the screen that has that wrench, and you see there it says service in 957 miles. This vehicle obviously doesn't need this reset, but I'm just going through the demonstration. So once you've pressed that and we're on that screen with that wrench, we're just going to press and hold down this OK button. So press and hold this button down, and then as you can see there, it reset to 5,000 miles. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.